This brand is made in China and is sold online through Amazon and Walmart as well as at the Home Depot. The brand uses condensate evaporation technology so that the need to empty a condensate bucket is minimized, but they use a single hose, which means that conditioned air is constantly being exhausted to the outside. This air must be replaced by outside air, which, in turn, must be cooled and lowers the energy efficiency of the home. They have electronic controls with timer and sleep modes for energy savings. They only use standard washable filters, which do not do much to improve the air quality of the room. The BPACT WT models are cool-only units that use environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant and are available in 4 sizes from 8,000 to 14,000 BTU. They are relatively quiet in operation with a sound level that is roughly equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator. The BPACT HWT models provide heat as well as cooling and are available in either 12 or 14,000 BTU capacities, but they are noisier with a sound level of 54 decibels. The brand is backed by a decent warranty that includes 5 years on the compressor, which is the heart of any air conditioner.